What's up guys, so today we're replacing the headlight bulb in the 2006 Scion TC. This is the bulb we're going to need. It's a 9006 bulb, and I did check this at the local auto parts store, and one was $15. So usually I don't say this, but on Amazon, two for $10. So definitely much cheaper if you can get this online. So I will leave the link to this below. And then let's go ahead and take a look. So here's the driver's side, and the normal low beam bulb is here. This is the corner light, but you can see the difference. That bulb is actually not working. Now let's go ahead and look on the passenger side. And I think you can tell this one is a lot brighter. So this one in the middle is a high beam. That's not on now, but that's fine. This one's a low beam, and then if we go in here, you'll see that's the connector for the low beam. This is the connector for the high beam. We're going to be replacing this one today with this, the 9006. Okay, so the first thing we're going to have to do is remove this clip. Now this clip, on the front of it, there's this little part that you need to press down right there where my finger is. I actually had trouble pressing this with just my fingers, so I just take a little screwdriver and push in on it like this. And then with the screwdriver, just pressed right there, that definitely helps with getting that off. We just need to twist this to take off the actual bulb. So I believe we're going to twist it to the left or counterclockwise, like that, and then just pull it out. Okay, so here's our new bulb. When you handle the new bulb, just make sure you don't touch the actual glass part. On this one, you can grip the plastic easily. And then let's just stick it in at the same angle we took it out. And then we're going to twist it counterclockwise this time. Make sure you push it in first a little bit, and then it should just twist down easily. And then just reconnect the red connector. It should snap in easily. And there we go. Let's test it. Okay, so there you see the working driver's side low beam headlight. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content on this, the Scion TC. And I'll see you in the next video.